In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, if you are 60 or 50 years and you have diabetic or you are tired like blood pressure and you not feel good, that time, at least you can walk. According to my, research, according to my observation, at least you need 2 hours exercise. At least you can walk fast every day, 1 hour, take rest. Again, evening, you can walk 1 hour. So 2 hours, if you, running and if you make exercise, jump at least. So definitely your blood pressure and your sugar, normal, definitely. No doubt that. This is my observation, this is my, research, like, because I have diabetic, I have, blood pressure. Always, when I walk, I feel better. Very good, healthy, like, and your feeling and thoughts, everything, change, and you feel great. You feel, you inside you have happiness, like. Same thing if you practice Islam. No doubt is that, because 5 years, 6 months now, I making videos. Maybe 8 months, 5 years, 8 months, I think, already. Only 3 months left. June, up to June, 6 years complete. So when I start, making videos, and I say Allah is true, Islam is true, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Prophet is a true, and Quran is a true. After that, my every month, I'm feeling, such a happiness and inside, and glad tidings coming, and always I saw very good dreams. I don't have any nightmares, like I don't have any bad dreams. I never have, hard time in my life. Why? Because every day I recite Ayatul Kursi, Allahu la ilaha, very important in your life, in the morning and evening. 72,000 prophets, angels protect you. And other one is, if you recite 7 times Surah Rahman, you feel better every day. If you recite Surah Yasin, you feel very good. And if you recite Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen 7 times, and drink that water, you feel good. You healthy, like. Suppose if I say Hinduism, today you can see cell phone. You have to be understand this point. Today my wife, she called Hyderabad, India. She talked with her sister, and same time you got the message, how she feel and what's going on in India, and they ask what's happened in your health last week, like they ask here America. So American people and Indian people, they know each other, like. Same thing, she called later on Dubai. She talked with, sister-in-law and sister and brother over there in Dubai. They told, everything, how is life's going on, like smooth, slowly, and prosperity, and cool, like. This is man-made cell phone. Think about Hindu, they don't understand this point. Gita, for 1400 years she's not with Ram, and they don't understand the communication. And they says, Hanuman, he's a flying, but he can't find her, and they don't have communication. They don't where she is. They don't know what happened in 14 years. Same thing, man-made movie, and Ganesh time, his father Shiva, he not find his head. He can't find head. Think about how come he's a god. They don't make movie. They don't understand. Still in India, you can see the movies. What's new movie coming? Sarkar 3. Same first, second, third. And Indian culture such a verse in the movie. If you check Badrinath Ki Dulhania coming next week, like same whole 40 years, 50 years, same they making movies. And new generation, they going, worse because they don't know real life worldwide. Sorry for Hindus, you not understand movie, man-made camera, and he give to us, movie. If you check that Saturday, every Saturday Desi Talk come in New York. Every New York person know that, same story they show that, repeat and repeat, repeat. But God came and he gone, and you don't know what he give to you message like. This is worse life in India, and Indian politics is worse today. ISIS, they give to money for Bajrang Dal and BJP, and the corrupted people they give to all information in India for Pakistan. Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar, Allah Akbar.